Hello, welcome to our favorite section, Kudos. Inside the home screen, we find the live pulse, where we can see the kudos in real time. On the board, we have a count of the kudos we have received and what we have sent, as well as the superpowers that represent us the most. On the right, we have a section where we can easily give kudos to our colleagues for what they are doing well. Giving kudos is as simple as this. Choose the person, you can choose a team value. If you want, you can leave a message. Finally, choose if you want it to be reflected in a channel and send it. We're going to the Wall of Fame. Here we can see our role models, the team members who have received the most kudos, and those who have sent the most. Look at the DNA that represents us, and the leaderboard, where the kudos ranking is displayed. You can filter it depending on what you want to see, by receivers or givers, the kudos, the date range you want to view, and whether you want to select a specific team or the entire team. Finally, you can export this data, making the configuration you require. Now let's look at our team values, the part where we see what represents us as a team. On the Cultural Pulse board, we can see what our DNA is as a team. To create it, we have the option of making it customized, or we have some templates that you can modify and use as you wish. And so you can use them to give kudos. You can do it from the website or from the chat where you work, so you don't have to leave your environment. From the chat, you can do this either from the bot or from any channel/chat. In this case, from the chat, you just need to do the following. Kudos to @user you want to send kudos to, write the reason for the kudos and send it. When you submit it, you'll be asked if you want to assign a team value. You can leave it blank or choose one and you're done. Go check the channel. Team members can give kudos to congratulate our colleague. The recognition should be visible. So let's give kudos.